I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? It's definitely raining, and when you're raining, you put on your gear. Right, man? Things like, can we get on with it? It's cold, I gotta poo, I don't care about your art. Alright. Alright, fine. I get it, I see how you are. Coming down on the freaking so much for May flowers. Showers. It's the weekend. And it's raining. And you can't go on the Ferris wheel or the loop-de-loop. Oh no. Cause you gotta keep your head up. Whoa. Alright. Well, there you have it. A friend asked for your time and not money. That's my fortune. But I kind of who has for money? Beep, 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 beep. Like Beaker, Tata, Beaker, R2, D2. Minnie, it's raining, right? She's like, yup. She's like, I thought April showers brought May flowers, not more May showers from April. Mother Nature cut that out. You know Dave Coulier? Full House? No? Alanis Morissette wrote that song about him. You know? Oh, yeah. Technique for picking up my dog's poopy. No, I'm still... Yeah, that chicken. Yeah, that chicken. You know, the funny thing about life is that even though there are supposedly rules and stuff, there's really no guideline on how to do it all and get there. Yeah, I'm in love with chicken. I'm in love with the chicka. That's where I'm trying to crack the magic code. Shh, it's the weekend. Minnie's still sleeping. Oh, you're up. Nope. Just change the guard. Stretch. Little ones on the chin. You offend me a little bit. That's my De Niro. Hoo-ha, Kevin. That's my Pacino. De Niro, Pacino. De Niro, Pacino. De Niro, Pacino. It's a lot. So, I like to say that I'm totally sober. I'm knocking futs. And, forget about it.